Hi, welcome back to You Should Know This. I'm going to teach you about 5S today in our lean journey. I believe this is part 3 or part 4. It might be part 4. History was part 3. Today I'm going to teach you about 5S. This is something that the Toyota instituted back in the 60s, and people try to do this, and a lot of people just have a sign up now and they don't do anything with it. They kind of do a little bit, and some of them talk about it, but it's kind of confusing because it's 5S and you hear it and it sounds good. It's a tool to improve productivity and cleanliness and shop safety and everything. But let's look at it, how it actually works on the shop floor, so it'll make a little more sense to you when you get into it. So the original Japanese words are, I believe, Siri, Setten, Seso, Sketsu, and Shikutsu, that word. And it means like sort and stack and clean and repeat. And the sort part, this area, it means sift, and setting actually means arrange, and it's, I'm not there's clean, one's what do you call it, the first one is to tidy up, and the second one is to sanitize and repeat. And okay, I know you feel like Farmer Ted here, discovered under the last coffee table, freaking out because you don't know where you are, because you don't want to learn Japanese, you just want to improve your company. I understand completely. I don't want to learn Japanese. So let's talk through this. So hop up on a stool. I'm gonna tell you how to get the shop clean in no time and keep it clean. Okay, you just got to remember 5S. Your employees have to remember 5S. The only 5S's you have to know are sort, stack, sweep, spick and span. That's it. Sort, stack, sweep, spick and span. Okay? The Japanese mistranslations I gave you, they do arrange into this. Sort, sift. Okay? Arrange neatly. That's how you stack stuff. Okay? So let's look at it in the real world situation. I am done for the day. I have 5 minutes to clean my workbench. What do I do? Sort. Oh, I'll grab the garbage, throw it in the garbage can. I have sorted out the garbage and stacked it in the garbage can. I will grab my tools and stack them in the toolbox in the place they go. I will grab spare parts that I did not need anymore and stack them in the place that they go. I will sweep off my table. I will sweep the floor. I might disinfect my table depending on your industry. You've seen this at the sandwich place. They get done, right? They throw the bologna back in the bologna bin. They set the little bottles back up where they go, where they got them from. They'll wipe the counter down real quick and they'll go on to the next customer. They do a 5S system to keep that workspace clean so we don't get contamination and I don't have to taste some funky liverwurst, right? 5S, sort, stack, sweep, expand. That's all you got to remember. Nothing big. Spick and span, what is that? We'll think about it. We'll get to it. That's how Toyota sustains it, makes it personal for the employee, makes it part. This is I am proud of this. Okay? If the employee is proud of his workspace, he's more likely to come back after a hard day. This is from Granger. That first nasty pick was from Business Insider, I believe, but this one's from Granger. Granger wants you to organize your workspace. They will sell you all the stuff to organize your workspace. But take a look at this. This thing was organized back in during the Nixon administration, and we got paint cans that have been around since the Clinton administration, and some of them need to be thrown away. Some of them might need to be stacked in a paint container closet, the fireproof closet. The stuff's scattered, kind of. It looks like it was organized one time, and it has been they let it go. Okay, they need to 5S it real quick. Straighten up them screwdrivers that are all crooked, and then pliers at the bottom that are all crooked. put some stuff away. It'll look a lot nicer and you'll be able to find stuff better. Plus, you have the safety factor of the volatile paint cans in the fireproof cabinet where they're supposed to be and safe. And the ladder is just out there in the middle of nowhere, being in the way, you're going to trip over it. So you 5S it. You sort it. Sort the paint cans and stack them into the fireproof cabinet. Sweep that thing's probably not been swept off in 5 years. Probably got a layer of dust on it, right? And we'll go back spick and span. What is spick and span? Well, the ladder. Put the ladder up. In the top left corner, you got some jacked up looking tools. I think some of those are up there crooked without getting a really good look at them, right? The top right, you got that giant wrench plier thing. Maybe sand that down a little bit, get a fresh coat of paint on it, okay? This is your personalization to improve the space. Me, if I'm looking at a skid that nobody's touched for 5 years that's in the way, I'm going to ask, hey, termite, why is that skid there? Termite doesn't know. I'll ask No Name, why is that skid there? No Name doesn't know. I'll ask Quattro, he doesn't know. I'll ask Dirty Mike, he doesn't know. I'm putting it away. I'm not going to talk to the carpet walkers about it because one of them might have put it there. The people that are in the space should know why stuff is in that space. If there's something in the way and it shouldn't be there, put it up, right? That's my spick and span. That gives it a personal pride. That's how you sustain it. This is my area. I'm going to take care of it. Okay? 5S. Sort, stack, sweep, spick and span. This one. This guy has no pride in his personal area, or a fire happened and he ran out. You see at the back with the blue stuff, that's a wrench organizer. It organizes your wrenches by size visually very quickly. Wrenches are just thrown in there. Okay? This needs to be gone through. You got these saw blades just laying there being all dangerous. If the dog walks by, the tail can knock it off into the dog's back and hurt the dog. If the kid's in there, they're going to pull that hammer down on themselves that's laying over there by the jigsaw. Just organize it a little bit. Put the tools away. Slide the hammer back away from the edge like that. That's a safety issue. Some of the 5S salesmen who have sold people a bill of goods on lean manufacturing tell you add safety, add sustain, add standardize. Just do the 5S. Spick and span. What looks out of place, make it look like it belongs there. Okay? If it looks like nobody's used it in 3 years, put it up. Your heroes from back in the olden days, the ones they write songs about, they want you to have a clean, organized workspace. None of these tools are going to get dirty. They're not going to get run over with a forklift. You'll be able to find them when you need them. When Eddie's holding something heavy and you got to find a square, bam, they're right there. You don't got to search through 50 toolboxes to find it. They were stacked, sort stacked, they were stacked properly yesterday, day before last year. Okay? Keep your workplace organized. Everything goes faster. Your day goes smoother. You don't spend 20 minutes looking for a $5 screwdriver. I've been there. Yeah. Spent 20 minutes every couple of days looking for a $10 screwdriver. So, keep it organized. Keep it nice and neat. Look what's out of place. Just take a look around. Improve your personal workspace. Try this at home. Try that down in your workshop, in your garage, about in the shed. I need to do this out in the shed. You can do this by yourself and then take it to work and do it there. Sort stuff out, stack it, sweep it, spick and span. Your kid's bedroom. If it is the most disgusting pigsty you've ever seen in your life, tell them. Sort it out. Garbage goes in the garbage can. Dirty clothes go in the hamper. Dishes go in the dishwasher. Sort the dishes, stack the dishes in the dishwasher. Sweep. That could be sweep off the desk after all the toys are put in the toy box, stacked in the toy box. It could be vacuuming the floors. Spick and span. What looks out of place now? All the clothes are folded and put away. The kids' room's clean. See? Sort, stack, sweep, spick, and span. Back for Farmer Ted, and let's click over to that real quick. Throw the pretzels in the garbage. Throw the beer cans in the recycling thing. Do those dishes. Bam, bam, bam. Sort, stack, sweep, spick, and span. Sort, stack, sweep, spick, and span. Keep repeating that. It'll get into their soul. They will have pride in their workspace. They will work faster. They will work cleaner. They will be more reliable. Sort, stack, sweep, spick, and span. But before you do that, very important, like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a good weekend.